Alright guys, so as the thumbnail suggests, today I have created a video which combines the sound effects from Age of Empires and a game of chess that I played online today on chess.com. So for those of you who do know what Age of Empires is, hope you enjoy the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you can, and let's get into it. Right, e4.
Somas.
No, what the frick? Oh.
Iwatani.
Ah.
Yuri.
Darn it. Just gonna play with this play. Let's go. We've got a young mate there.
Nervous. Papadak. Iwatani. Donna Eve. Erictus.
Frick! What am I supposed to do now? Bloody hell. Let's go. Let's go. Watch this, watch this. Move the king over, move it over. Damn it. Oh wait. Bang. Bang, wait, let's go. What? And now? What's this kid doing, fam? What's this kid doing? What is he doing? What are you doing, mate? What should I do here then? Frick. You can check him. No, he just takes. Check there. Ooh, check this out. Move over. Check. Rook. Yep. Bang. Bang. Let's go! Come on, bro. Razan. Victorious. What? All mistakes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Rating 1136. Let's go. Frick yes.